If you have walked along the lakeshore at twilight, you would know how beautiful the sunset is. Today we're going to create your own sunset Q-tip painting. You will need a piece of black paper, a pencil, an eraser, acrylic paints, a paper plate, and Q-tips. First, sketch a horizon, a shoreline, and the sun, and add anything that you want to. I am going to draw my brother and I watching the sunset. You can cut it out from your paper prints and attach them to the paper. When you are done painting and taking them off, you will see some black. This is optional. You can also mark the sun above the middle of the horizon. Next, dab your Q-tip in the warm acrylic paint and start dotting. Dot red in the middle and make a deep yellow as it goes up and down to create a gradient. Leave some space around the horizon. Using one Q-tip per color, create some rows of dots. Repeat the step until the sky and lake are all filled. Now dot the sun with yellow and white paint and add some highlight on the horizon. Painting with Q-tips was actually quite easy and fun. It also reminded me of some paintings of impressionists who were trying to paint the light, atmosphere, object, or landscape as they saw it. Take off all the cutout pieces to reveal the black silhouette. Great! Do you want to try out with me? It'll be fun. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Bye!